How to get the arcane pickaxe in the forge. First, you want to be in the first island. Then go to Bard next to the campfire. He will ask you to find his guitar, but I've already done it. Then go inside the cave. Now take a left. Go inside the vines and leaves. Once you are inside, the guitar will be located next to the skeleton. Go back to Bard. Once you give Bard the guitar, he will give you a key. Now go back into the cave. This time take a right. Now follow where I go. The gate will be here. Now go inside to get the arcane pickaxe. Let's go. Guys, please subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching.